name is Emma Fink, and I am reporting on our school's newest phenomenon. Now, everyone knows about this new phone ban, but where are they supposed to go? The lockers. Ever wonder how to find your locker? Well, wonder no more. Up on every single one of these lockers is a number and a letter, but no one knows what the letters are. It's top secret. Ma'am. Hey, I might have a solution to your problems. Do you need somewhere to put your stuff?
I do.
Well, I got you. Are you ready? A locker. You can put all your heavy textbooks and binders that you don't need throughout the day in here, and it lessens the load. You want to try it? Nicely set it in the locker. Are you ready? And now it's safe until you need it again. Now try lifting up that bag. Is it easy?
As pie.
Yay! Whoa. What are you trying to do? That's not how you open lockers, silly. It's easy. You just twist it to the first number, and then you go all the way around again for the next one, and then you go to your final number. Oh.
2 hours later.
Ta-da! It's open, and there's a phone in here, where it should be. These lockers are big and perfect for storing all your stuff. Wrong video. Now these lockers are locked, but you might want to watch out for your unlocked lockers. Some rascals might get into your stuff.